Okay. Ahora sí, go ahead and open the hood. Let's take out the oil lid. That's it. And put it right here. Right here, so in case you forget to put it back. Yeah. For the oil drain probe, we're gonna need the size 17. Get it and get las pinzas, las rojas, to get the filter.
The black?
No, get the wrench. The wrench is there? Yeah. The long one. We're gonna start with the filter. You just get the pliers and then I'll show you right now. You see the filter? Yeah. Okay. Get the pliers. You're gonna have to get it like at an angle like that, porque no se puede agarrar straight. No, to the other side. See? Keep your containers underneath the container. Use your glove. That's why you have the glove.
Okay, it's there. It's fine.
¿Te lo dejo aquí o?
Sí.
Sí. Sí, ya puro orden de ignición. So whatever you see, make sure it doesn't have any dirt. Sí. No, the oil. Make sure the oil doesn't have any dirt. It went through? Sí. There's no right filter. No. You have to go in really soft, you don't have to force anything. See, it's pretty soft, right? Yeah. That's a good key. If you start getting stuck on something, that's something not right. Yeah. Use a clean rag and tie it. Move the container now because there's no leak. Okay, good. That's good enough. Clean whatever is around here. See? Whatever you see oil, just clean it. Okay. ¿Dónde está el otro? Para la derecha. Digo, para la izquierda. ¿Dónde? Get out of yourself. Mira, acá. Cada más acá porque vas a ir, si hace para atrás. Igual ese has to go in soft, así. If it's not going in the beginning, then something's not right. Move the oil container because we're done with that. Me too. clean it.
And clean whatever oil you see there on the floor. Or
This one take it off because sometimes it can go inside the engine by accident. That's it. The other one is fine. You have to put 4 quarts first. Okay, huh? Yeah. Es casi todo. Wait. Okay, apágalo. Voy a checar luego. Apágalo. Agárralo, agárralo. Okay. Ya, sobre también. ¿Falta no? Ya. Ya voy a buscar los segundos. Muy bien. Ya. Check. Make sure you clean the tools and then put them back. Mm-hmm.